Good morning, teacher and classmates. My name is Damaris Valdez Lopez. Next, I will show you the presentation of the festival held in Paipa, Boyacá. Okay. A colorful event held every year, generating space for integration, equality, leisure, and coexistence. The Paipa Color Festival has been held since 2016. All attendees can participate in a fun-filled atmosphere, electronic music, and lots of color. The festival always comes with the participation of a standing exponent of electronic music in Colombia, who display the best sounds and a set of lights while the public drowns in the mix of euphoria and retown seasons, dogs of colors. There are different environments for the recreation of the public. For example, integration zone, love zone, sports zone, and craft maker. The inspiration for the relation of the festival was the Holi of India, a party that emulates the arrival of spring with dust and colored water that people drown of each other in a magical, happy and fun moment, but about a spiritual story. It was held on Saturday, April 28, 2006 at the Home and Shooting Club, which began at 10 o'clock in the morning and ended at 9 at night. Finally, with graphic, thanks, bye bye.